Hi all, welcome to this EGuide application. So in this video, let me explain about the features in the students panel. Okay, so let me use my credentials to log in. Okay, Jeff. Okay, I just logged in into the demo credentials. Okay, so in this dashboard, okay, this is the login credentials for the student side. So you will be able to see the what's the name of the student, the ID, and number of active courses the students have registered, okay, and what's the validity of the courses, and how many exams are totally scheduled for me, and how many question banks are available and everything. Okay, so let me this is dashboard and my account are just basic details about your profile. Then so I told you we have seen 3 subjects are allocated to us. So one is 10 the science, social science, maybe 10 social science, and 11 science. Okay, this being a demo. Okay, let's go through in detail. So this is in this. Let's take the example of 11 science. So in this, the teacher has uploaded 2 chapters, chapter 1, okay, and the topic is uploaded for is for physical quantities and units, and vernier caliper and screw gauge. Okay, so again for physical quantities, three video content is uploaded. So let me just open one. Okay, this is just a teaching lecture, and let me this is a PDF book. So the teacher in this application, the teacher will be able to upload any multimedia material like image in different formats in PDF or and video. Okay, so so this is, let's open this video. This is just an explanation about
you use a ruler or a scale to measure length.
This is an explanation about a video for a topic. Okay, so as a student, okay, the student will be able to navigate the different subjects, okay, based on the subject that you are registered, and he or she will be able to learn. At the same time, the student will be able to take the practice questions and also the scheduled main exams and main MCQ questions based upon the question scheduled by the teachers. So for example, let me go to the practice questions. There are so many practice questions that are scheduled for trial basis. Okay, now let me go to this question bank, and here if you see, the main feature here is, for example, so you could understand there are 9 questions here, and if I'm trying to answer this question, okay, if the answer is correct, it will be in green color. Okay, so next question, let me try to answer, and I've given the wrong answer, and when I give the right answer here, the color changes. So, and here is a description, the explanation. So the student, okay, if the teacher has given an explanation for this answer, so the explanation for the right answer will be here, and it will give a better understanding about the subject. So right, so hope the student will gain confidence by taking all these exams, by practicing all these questions, by going through all these questions. Then we'll have the ordinary MCQ test, like live exam. So the main difference in the practice exam and the live exam is, practice exam you will be able to know the answer instantly the moment you attempt the answer, but in the other exam, okay, so you won't be able to know the answer instantly. Like this is the dashboard of the exam panel. Like you have to answer, okay, and if you answer, it will be in one color. Then you can save or next. Again you can answer. Okay, I'm just giving an answer. Okay, then you can save or next, and I'm going for the third question. Okay, again if I answered, okay, fourth question, imagine that I'm not answering it. Okay, going next, it will say, okay, select answer. So maybe like imagine that I want to review it later, I want to answer later, I can go to review later. Again the same thing, next question. Okay, fifth question it has gone, and imagine that I want to review later, I can review later, and sixth question, if you want to, okay, I'm already in the sixth question, and if you want to go to the seventh question, okay, I haven't answered, okay, I'm the seventh question, and let me go to the eighth question also, so let me answer, okay, save later. So similarly, if you see, the green color here shows the question answered, the red shows the question that I have seen but I haven't answered, and this yellow color may highlight the questions that I will review later. The red color, the blue color, indicates the question number 9, 10, 11. Okay, I have just gone through. It's a question that question 10 and 11 is the question that I have invested. So when I try to submit the exam, it will give the summary. Okay, so that if I want to go back to the exam, I can go back and again continue with the exam. Okay, and if I'm okay, then I can submit the exam. Okay, submit. Okay, so I have submitted the exam. That's a total of 11 questions. I have taken around 2 minutes 23 seconds. The exam date and time. Okay, and so none of the exam that I answered so far is correct. Okay, so here if you see, like here use a explanation for each question. Okay, if you just go through as a student, I can go through each question and I can find the answer, and I can learn also. Okay, so again, this is where I'll go and I'll take the exam. Then this is where I can see the results. Okay, this is where I can see the results. So this pass fail is everything is set by the teacher. This is threshold level. Okay, so this is just a sample thing, so you need not worry much about it. And there are some other things also, like if you want to have any training appointments with your teacher, like you can schedule your training appointments. Again, like certificates. Maybe if you want to contact, or if you contact for some inquiry forms, like you'll be able to contact. Then if you want to go to the official website, you'll be able to go through. And again, if you have any doubt, you can do contact us. Thank you for watching this video.